Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an account on Savana in 2026. Whether you're using it for AI tools, productivity, or content creation, setting up your account only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open the Savana website or app in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, click the sign up create account or get started button. Next, choose your preferred sign-up method. Yeah, you may be able to continue with your Google account, Apple account, or email address, depending on the options available. If you're signing up with your email, enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Then click Create Account to continue. Now check your inbox for a verification email if one is required. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once your account is verified, sign in to Savana and complete the initial setup by choosing your preferences, workspace, or AI features if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully created your Savana account and you're ready to start using the platform. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.